Here we got a 1953 Ford. Like I said, it's Sunliner. This car is definitely styled way ahead of its time. You look at this is a 53. You look at this compared to a Chevy 53. Doesn't compare in styling. Ford was way ahead of them. It's like, you know, they really were. Ford sold more cars, I think in his 50s, than Chevy. Yet there's less Fords that have survived. I don't know why the hell that is. It seems like, you know, you hear about a 55, 56, 57 Chevy all the time, and Chevy. And I actually am a Chevy fan because, you know, if you actually get into the mechanics, one thing that drives me nuts about Ford, they seem to change more things every year. You know? It's driving me nuts. Like, Ford has a better idea. Yeah, who the hell's thinking of coming up with these ideas? 1 year only thing this and 1 year only that. But this car is definitely ahead of its time by leagues. You know? Look at those hubcaps on there. Nice with this slot. Very sweet ride. It's kind of like, looks like it's more low slung in the back. It's kind of like a optical illusion, I think, because of the way, you know, the quarter panel's designed with the fender skirts. Yeah. But it makes sense. It's kind of like the go fast style of the era. Here he's got a slight little boo-boo dent in the front on the bumper, man. I didn't even notice that, man. I wonder if somebody can pound that out without even, not very noticeable. I should have brought it up. Sweet ride, man. Big time. And you got the little side vent windows. A lot of air coming in that thing, you know. And you got your full wraparound windshield. I know they were already coming out by 53, but you can see it's lower. You know, the whole car is just lower all the way around. So.